Today we are going to learn how to create a presentation on a mobile or tablet. On a mobile or tablet, you need to have a slides software like this one. When I click on Google Slides, you can download it from Play Store or Apple Store. Now make sure that the email ID that you are using for slides software is your own school email ID. So I'll just check on the top right corner. I can see that it is not my school email ID. So I will click on my school email ID and change my account. So now how to create a presentation? You see on the bottom right corner we have a plus sign. So when I click on this plus sign, I get to select an option, choose template and a new presentation. So now we are learning how to create a new presentation. So let's click on the option new presentation. Now let's wait until the presentation loads in front of you. Now the presentation has loaded. Now let's see how to add a text to a presentation. Now this is the first slide that has been given by default by us, default to us. So when I click on this, it is written double tap to add title. So when I double tap on it, I can edit the title. So if I want to create a presentation on Christmas, so I'll write Christmas over here. And there is also an option for adding a subtitle. So as a subtitle, I can add by Sneha. So let's add my name. Now that we are done, all I have to do is click over here. Now, if you want to add a new slide, there is an option over here on the bottom right corner. You can click on this option. There is a small plus sign. Can you see on the bottom right corner? So you can click on this option and then it will give you a different options. These are called as layouts. So you need to choose from this option which layout you want for your next slide. So suppose I want a title and a body. So the next slide has been added. So as just the way you can see it at the bottom, there is a ribbon and 1 and 2 are written on it. This ribbon is called as slides pane, and all the slides that have been added in your presentation, you will be able to see it and scroll through it from this pane. Now you can edit this uh, slide also, slide number 2, the way you want it. Once done, you can add another slide by clicking on the small plus sign on bottom right corner. Suppose I have added this. So I have added 3 slides. Let's add one more slide. This one. So as you can see, I can scroll through this slides pane like this. Now, next thing that we'll be learning is how to add a picture. So till now we have learned how to open a presentation, how to create a new presentation, how to add text to a presentation. We learn how to add new slides with different layouts to a presentation. Now let's learn how to add and insert a picture. Now there is a plus sign over here on the top bar. Can you see? There is an arrow, then two arrows for undo and redo. Then there is a play icon, then there is a person icon, and just beside that, there is a plus sign. You need to click on that plus sign. Once you click on that plus sign, you get different options under insert menu. Now we are learning how to add an image. So let's click on image option and see. You have two options over here, from photos and from camera. So you can directly capture a picture from your camera of your phone or tablet, or you can also insert a picture from photo. So when you click on image and from photos, all the recent images that are there in your uh, mobile phone will be shown on the screen. So you can either choose from any of the image. Suppose now I want to select an image Let's see. Okay, of a cake. So I will click on this image and the image will come in front of me. I can resize the image like this, drag it anywhere like this. Just click on the image and drag it. Click on the image and drag it. Okay, so this is how you insert images in a presentation. Now, how to rename the presentation? You go back over here and suppose this is the presentation that you want to rename. So click on the three dots and there will be option for rename. So when you click on it, you can remove this and write Christmas over there as you are creating a presentation on Christmas, and then click on rename button and the presentation is renamed by you. Okay, so that's all for today.